Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to share step-by-step instructions on how to add apps to desktop on Windows 11 PC. So there are two types of icons that you can put on the desktop. The first is default desktop icons like Recycle Bin, This PC and others. And the second type includes icons for the apps that you have installed on your PC. So let's learn the steps on adding default desktop icon. So first of all, right click on the desktop and then select personalize from the menu that opens. Select theme on the right side. Under related settings section, click desktop icon settings. This will open the new window. Here under desktop icons, check the boxes for the icons that you want to show on the desktop. At last, click apply and OK. Instantly all the desktop icons will start appearing on the desktop. Now let's learn the steps on how to add apps that you have installed on your PC, and for that, click on the Start button to open Start menu. Here click on the All Apps. Now you'll get the list of all the apps that you have installed on your PC. Scroll down and locate the app that you want to add to the desktop. I want to add Adobe Edition to the desktop. For that, using the mouse or touchpad, press and hold the application and drag drop it to the desktop like that. This will instantly add the icon for the same app on the desktop. Following the same procedure, you can add as many apps you want to add to the desktop. So that's all about this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe the channel for getting notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.